Hello people, welcome back to AglaSem. So as we all know that MICAT 2019 registration process is going on. Mudra Institute of Communications, Ahmedabad has started the registration process for MICAT 2019 on August 24, 2018. And the last date for filling MICAT Application 2019 is November 20th. So today we'll be knowing a little more about it because students get confused and sometimes miss the path of filling the form. So worry not guys, today we'll be explaining the registration process, so do watch the video carefully. So first let me tell you about the examination. Basically it will be a computer based examination having 6 parts divided into 4 sections. If any candidate wants to apply for it, do visit our website, then you can apply from there only. We'll provide you the link in the description box. And yeah guys, most important thing, before starting the registration, ensure that you have all the necessary documents and certificates. Keep your academic scorecard, experience certificate and scanned photograph and signature handy so that it will help you to fill the form easily without any hassle. So let's start with the registration process.
So guys, we have given a link in the description box. Go there and click on the link. You'll be landing on AglaSem's page. You have to scroll down. There is a link which says click here to apply for MICAT 2019. Click on that link. You'll be landing on MICAT's application form page. There's two links, already registered user and new user. If you're registering for the first time, click on new registration. Then you see this loading bar. This shows your recommended browser version. You can read this note, then just scroll down and fill the application form. You have to write the applicant name, your first name, your middle name and last name. And then coming towards the mobile number, enter your 10 digits mobile number and then you have to confirm it. And then you have to write your email address and then your confirmation for the email address. Your important messages or email number will be coming in this number and this email ID. So make sure you'll write the correct email address and number. And then there you have to write the CAPTCHA. You have to write the exact number or exact digit which is written there. Click on button, submit it. The next page which says you have registered successfully. Then you will see your personal details which you have filled earlier. Then you have to go to up there right corner, go to application form. Just click on it. You will be landing on different page and then you have to write your personal details. This is the personal detail form. Let's start with it. You have to write your date of birth first. It should be your date, your month and the year format. Then you have to select your gender, nationality, your marital status, and then the name of your father, mother or any guardian, then the occupation of them, and then the academic qualification of the same person you have written there. Then coming towards the correspondence address, there are 3 sections: address line 1, address line 2 and address line 3. That means you have 3 sections to write your address. Then select your state, then city and the pin code. And lastly, you have to tick yes or no if your permanent address is same as correspondence. Then your contact details, mention alternative email address, enter alternative email address also. Then now you have to select the center for your examination, the first preference, the second preference and the third preference. Then you will be having your JE or an PI. For that also you have to select the city. Then there is a box, other detail section. Then you will see a box there which says how did you came to know about MICA. Then you have to tick the option you want to choose. Then click on save and continue button. You will be landing on different page, your 10th class, your 12th class academic records. Select your year, then your percentage of marks, school or college you are from, address of your school and college, then city of the school, pin code number and board of university. Then the same for 12th class, you have to write all the same details there, your year, percentage of marks, school and college name, address and city, then PIN code and the board. Make sure you are entering the exact information so you won't face any problem in future. Then you have to select the bachelor's degree if you are done with your bachelor's, your stream, then your year, then percentage of marks, school and college name, same like previous one, address, city, PIN code, board and university. Then you have to select the master's degree detail and the employment experience detail. If yes or no, then save and continue. Then you will be landing on different page. Then you have to select the score for CAT, XAT and GMAT if there is any. Then upload your photograph and signature. You have to click on click here to upload. Then you will see a browse button. Click on that browse button. Select the photograph of yours. Recommended size are written there in green. Then you have to select the scanned signature of yours. You have to scan your signature and then upload it. The same instructions are given for signatures also. Then click on save and continue button. Then you will be landing on payment details page. You have to select the online payment through credit card or net banking. You will be seeing your examination fees there, which is written there. Then enter the CAPTCHA. Then you can submit the form. Then you land up here in the payment gateway. You will be entering your card number, expiry date and the name of the card holder. You'll be seeing this credit card plus ATM, internet banking. You can make payment through these.
So this is how you can register yourself for MICAT 2019. Wasn't that easy, guys? If you still face any problem, feel free to comment it down. And yeah guys, the most important thing, do subscribe our channel so that you won't miss any of our videos, and hit the like button if we helped you in this. We'll be back again with another video. Till then, bye bye.